How to post live photo on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen and then go ahead and tap on the album option you see there. Further, go ahead and select the live photo that you want to post in TikTok and now tap on next. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the live option you see there right below the settings option. Here you can then go ahead and choose if you want your live photo as loop or as static or as live photo. So choose your preferred option and then tap on next and then tap on the post option, and with this, the live photo with your preferred feature will be posted. So this is how you can post live photo on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.